Hello, this is, if you've been bought here by eBay, this is the demonstration of the Beolink 7000 remote, a very rare vintage remote made by Bang & Olufsen. Now this, I will go through the demonstration of this. It has recently had a battery replaced, so it doesn't have the original Bang & Olufsen battery, it has a new battery, so you've got longer life. This item is in superb working order. As you can see from the video here, there are a few scratches and pits on the chrome reflective panel. To view this demonstration, the support appliances will be a Beogram 6500 CD and a Beomaster 6500 amplifier, played via two Beolab Audio 3000 speakers. Okay, the item comes with its manual, another rare item to have, with all of the controls, and is the original manual as well. Okay, going through the use of the item. Putting the item down, all the motors are functioning, fully functioning. Don't know if you can see that correctly, but I'm going to click on CD. As you can see, the illumination is sound, no pixel degradation on the screen. It tells you the CD. You can see in the top left right hand corner of the screen the actual working emitter. For the infrared signal. To track 5. Turning the volume down a bit. Wasn't pressing it correctly. Stand by. And as you can see, we can wait. The remote will return to its lane position. It comes with working functional charger. If I return it to its mount, well, you can see the remote has actually returned to its reset standby position. Turning the remote around. The item is in good working order. This item will work with most systems. after 1995. If you have a post-1995 system, so any of the stack systems, the Beomaster and Beogram 7000 system, 9000 system, it will work with those systems. Pressing source, going to radio. Source again, going back to CD. All of the screen functions work. You can go to setup, exit. This system was mostly purchased for the 7000 stack system and the AV9000 system. If anybody who knows their Bang & Olufsen vintage 1995 AV9000 system, that was the turning television. Okay, any questions? Please leave a comment or send me a message via eBay at Beodon1978.